Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this design inspired by Jopping by SuperM. Start off by painting your index and middle fingers 2 shades of beige, your ring and thumbnails black, and your pinky nail white. On the first beige nail, make a thick black stripe vertically down the nail. Add a couple of thin, white lines in the center of the black stripe. Add some texture to the sides with a darker beige polish. Use a medium blue polish to make thin lines on either side of the road, each reaching around the center of the nail. Add a thin line of neon blue polish over top and then seal in your design with a top coat. Apply liquid latex around your nail. On a makeup sponge, make a gradient with moss green, the beige you used for the base, and a very light orange. Dab it onto the nail until you're happy with the opacity. Use a dark brown to make the skyline. Use a darker brown or mix the brown that you just used with the dark gray to fill in the bottom of the nail. Use black paint or polish to make Timon's silhouette. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use a medium blue polish to make interconnecting lines as shown. For the first set of lines, you want to go over them a few times to make sure that the blue stands out. So those ones were the main lines. For the rest of the lines, you want to use a lighter hand so that the polish isn't as thick. Lightly trace over the main lines with a neon blue. Add a few dots on the lines for highlights and then lighten the centers with white. Seal in your design with a top coat. For this nail, I used a kind of waterfall technique. Drag a couple of blue and purple polishes from the top of your nail down to the tip. Lighten up near the end of your stroke so that the line gets thinner. Try to concentrate the darker blue polishes near the center of the nail. Add a few light dots around the dark center. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use white paint or polish to make SuperM's logo. Seal it in with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!